Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Eat Sleep Burn and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Eat Sleep Burn is a revolutionary weight loss system that tackles all of your health concerns by improving the one thing that inhibits your success, your sleep. It's no secret that you need sleep in order to function properly throughout the day, but what many people don't know is that your quality and length of sleep drastically affects the way your body stores and burns fat. With this system, you learn how to improve your sleep so you can start unleashing the full potential of those restful sleeps. It's 100% safe and natural, and is highly focused on science and experience, no opinions here. What is Eat Sleep Burn? Eat Sleep Burn is a new, online program that provides you with natural, safe, and effective ways to improve your sleep to get the quality and length of rest you need each night. By doing so, you're able to not only burn weight overnight, but you can also tackle and effectively reverse a vast array of other health concerns, such as athletic performance, inflammation, gastrointestinal issues, bone loss, low carb tolerance, high catabolic hormones, low anabolic hormones, low testosterone, food cravings, immune system imbalanced, increased fat gain. Specifically, if you are 40 or older, then you are probably getting up to 70% less of one precise form of deep sleep that is critical to losing weight and protecting your health. And so much more. Eat Sleep Burn consists of a variety of sleep protocols you can implement into your nightly routine, 10 rules for proper sleep, mind-body connection techniques to increase relaxation, ways to come down after a stressful day, and a ton of scientifically proven information about sleep and how it affects your weight gain, health, fitness, and performance. I'll dive into how this program allows you to address a ton of health concerns and issues in just a moment, but first, it's worth mentioning that the program teaches you safe and natural ways to boost your sleep quality. There are no prescription pills or harmful drugs required, nor are there weird ancient chants to recite. The entire system is infused with practical and effective techniques that anyone can use. No extra equipment is necessary. Now, the great thing is that you receive immediate access to the program as soon as you purchase. You just go in and download the content onto your laptop, computer, tablet, or smartphone, which includes the main manual, the 28-day metabolic burn manual, the Recovery and Revitalization Manual, 28 exercise demonstration videos. This makes it easy to access and follow along with the program whenever and wherever your newfound sleep habits take you, whether you're heading out on vacation or trying out the new habits in different rooms in your home. Having the system in digital format also means that you can effortlessly consistent with the things you learn throughout, which is key to turning them into habits. As for the video exercises, you can access them online to avoid the files taking up a large amount of space on your devices. In other words, as long as you have your tech device, you have immediate access to everything you need to start readjusting and improving your sleep patterns and habits to enable optimal functioning and health. Now, if you think science is wrong and poor sleep quality or a lack of sleep isn't the root of all evil, you have 2 months to try the program with the 60-day money-back guarantee. Even if you think you get good sleep, you have nothing to lose by readjusting your habits and seeing how the new changes work for you. The authors of Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is the collaboration of two men, Todd Lamb and Dan Garner. I'll focus on Dan here because he is real bread and butter of the two. Dan's passion for nutritional programming and strength and conditioning science led him to becoming the founder of Team Garner Inc., a lab analyst and elite programming supervisor at New Wave Fitness, a best-selling author on Amazon and the head strength coach and nutrition specialist at hockeytraining.com. He has 12 of the top training and nutrition certifications, as well as formal education in functional medicine and health science. Dan has worked with everyone from celebrities to Olympians, from professional athletes to world record holders, and regular people as well. He is also an international lecturer and education provider for all things strength, nutrition, and conditioning. So, he's definitely the guy you want to be taking weight loss and fitness advice from. Overview of Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is an easy, step-by-step program that provides you with all the information you need to understand how your sleep quality and length of restful sleep contributes to not only your weight but also your health and performance as a whole. Then, the system teaches you the strategies, techniques and protocols you can implement into your sleep routine to unleash the benefits of getting the sleeps you need for your mind, body, weight loss and performance to thrive. But don't take my word for it. Here's a sneak peek at some of the topics covered throughout. Introduction. Chapter 1. The Mind-Body Connection, Unlocking Your Nervous System for Massive Results. A nervous system overview. Switching off your SNs and switching on your PNs. Ways to increase the mind-body connection. Chapter 2. The Science of Sleep. Sleep's effect on hormones, the brain, and your muscle development. Sleep and the immune system. Sleep and fat gain. Sleep and performance. Sleep quality strategies. Chapter 3. The 10 Rules for Getting the Perfect Night's Sleep. Chapter 4. Bulletproof Rituals for Success. Chapter 5. The Sequential Shutdown Method. Chapter 6. Protocol Section. Understanding Supplements. Building the Foundation. Advanced Protocols. And that's just the main manual. You also receive the 28-day Metabolic Burn Manual, which guides you through 28 days of techniques and strategies that enable many different physiological changes simultaneously. You also get access to the video library, which is where you'll find 28 videos of movements to complete. So, you know exactly what to do and how to do it for each of the 28 days. On top of that, you get the Recovery and Revitalization Manual, which is all about repairing your body. Pros. It really does work. The program has received some criticism, but a major percentage of all the people that have used it properly say that it indeed works. It is the easiest. The program has this one virtue that sets it apart from the rest of the pack. It is so easy that one would mistake it for a scam. But it works nevertheless. Full money-back guarantee. If this program does not deliver, rest easy knowing that you can get all your money back without any problems. Available in the PDF ebook format, this means that you can get it as soon as you need it, and that is just great. The reviews are great. When you take a look at the way that the reviews speak of this one, you will see why so many people like it. Cons. It needs work. Despite the glamorous prospects of losing weight by lazing around and simply watching the quantities of what you eat, you have to work for the perfect results. No hard copies are available yet. This remarkable program exists only in the digital format. Conclusion. Eat Sleep Burn is an easy program that provides you with professional advice for improving your sleep to unleash the benefits and full potential that follows some restful sleeps. It's 100% safe and natural, and highly infused with scientific information and experience, so you know that the habits and adjustments you're making in your sleep patterns will work. And if you're still convinced science isn't right, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee to put your theory to the test.